study looks at how Facebook affects the shopping habits of senior high school students. Students at Informatics Studies KBT school year 2024-25. We will use surveys and interviews to understand how Facebook use influences students' choices about what to buy and how much they spend. The the research will examine both the good and bad effects of Facebook on buying behavior. This includes things like learning about new products, comparing prices easily, and shopping things online, but also being tricked by misleading ads, buying things on impulse, and worries about privacy, bad effects. The findings will help us understand the changing relationship between social media and shopping in today's world. It will show the need for students to be smart shoppers. This study remains this study examines how Facebook influences the buying habits of senior high school young students at Informatics College Cavite School Year 2024-25. We aim to understand how Facebook use affects students' purchase decisions. What are negative and positive impacts to them? Using surveys and interviews, we'll explore the rules of social media, marketing, for influence, and online ads on student consumer behavior. The result will so the result will show how effective Facebook is as a marketing tool to business targeting this group and will improve our understanding of changing relationship between social media and consumer behavior in the digital age. More English, please, about this topic. Our topic, guys, is consumer behavior among informatics UM students. Topic. Hi, my dear. How are you doing today? Yeah, I'm doing fine, but I'm doing my research. Sensible man. Shout out to you, my friend. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, my friend. Thank you, Japan. Thank you, Japan. How's your election, Sensible? Wait. Ay! Sorry. Wait, ah. Ayan, that's good. Yeah, Sensible, how's your election? What happened? I'm excited. Who you vote? Chan Who is the winner for tomorrow's result? Thank you, Sir Rob. Thank you so much, Sir Rob. Yeah, I'm very... Sir Rob, I'm gonna make 10 of these research for my school, for my study. 10. But it's 1 week. 1 week for doing that. Thank you, Sir Rob. Thank you so much. Ah, yes. It's very important to focus so I can understand what I'm searching for. That's why I never talk. If I never make a one page, I never talk. See, I make already one page for focusing 1 hour, I think. 1 hour and a half. This is only I do. 1 hour and a half, guys. My goodness. Thank you so much. You never told me about the election. Is it not allowed? It's not allowed in your country? I'm gonna stand up first. I'm cramping na, guys. Pupo,